couple more quick mods for you. I already did one video on mods for these machines. I'll post a link to it up here somewhere. And but anyways, here's a couple more I forgot to mention. One will be exhaust. Alright, so your muffler. Sorry, I'm in a bad spot right here, but anyways, right on the other side of that is a single bolt. I don't remember what size it was. 13 millimeter maybe? Anyways, loosen that bolt. And then the 3 bolts holding the muffler on. Slide your muffler off. And right behind that is a catalytic converter. And quick chop of the Sawzall removes that, and less blockage. So quick, easy, $0 upgrade. Alright, the gas pedal mod is basically just a plate and a hinge connected to the gas pedal, and it just changes the position of your foot. So instead of being vertical, more vertical anyways, in your normal position, it makes your foot so it's pretty much more comfortable position to where you're not bouncing on the throttle when you're on bumpy roads. You can actually put your foot nice and flat and just slide it forward and backward.